Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain about Microsoft Dynamics 365. Let me introduce myself. This is Sai. I have 7.5 years of IT experience working as a Microsoft Dynamics 365 senior consultant. Let's get started. So Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a cloud application. So it will support multiple integrations as well, like e-commerce portal or Oracle related apps, like a JDE or Oracle PRM, so etc. So and also we have it will help the organizations to manage the life cycle, any sales life cycle or any customer service related things. We can easily log the ticket and whatever wherever where they're having the home pages or web pages. We can easily capture the lead, we can easily capture the incident from the home page, and the data whatever coming through from the web pages we are capturing in the Dynamics 365 CRM. So to handle this sales life cycle and customer raised incidents, we have a two different type of modules. I will explain in a minute. And but main intention is here to know about this product. It will enhance the user experience definitely. And also we have predefined processes are there for sales or service and marketing related templates. So many of the processes are already automatically built by the Microsoft. We can use that and we can leverage the existing features. And if you want to customize also, we can do the customizations easily, and we can integrate with other systems as well. So let's go to the next slide. If you see here, I have explained about core CRM modules here. So here we have four type of modules, four modules we are using currently. Not only this, we have other modules as well. But the core modules I want to explain about the sales module. The sales module, basically we are capturing the leads and opportunities and other things in the sales pipeline, which we are currently, whatever the business is. Let's say it's a business is developing one product or selling one product or offering any service for particular product, they can easily get the leads, get the opportunities, get the things from the whatever the sales pipeline they're using for invoice generation, order generation, lead management. So everything is done in the sales module. In the sales module, we have a predefined entities are there. So in that entities, we're storing the data of particular lead or particular opportunity which was coming from through the web pages or home page of the particular company portals. And also if they are using any Microsoft inbuilt portals also, they can easily tagged, and the data also integrated with the Dynamics CRM. And the next thing is the customer service module. So in the customer service, we are handling the cases. Let's say if someone want to raise any service related request, the request raised by the any homepage of the current organization page. If you see in the any every organization, they will provide contact us. So in the contact us, they will call or either they will send some email. The particular email will be there. So in that, they will raise the request. Based on that, they will raise the request, they can call, they can chat. So the rising the incidents will be the different channels will be there, like email, chat, or call appointment. So many ways we have the different channels are there. So depending upon that phone call, so depending upon that activity, we are capturing the incidents and handling the incidents inside the Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So let's say if I want to if I have a 10 particular cases or incidents coming from the system. So what we are doing here in the CRM, it will automatically predefine where we are defining some queues. So whenever the incident is created, it will go to particular queue. So once the queue is already we have configured with some other based on the regions. So whenever the case is coming from particular region, it will go and assign to particular queue. So in that queue we have some users randomly, the customer support executives will be there. So basically depending upon their availability, they will go and take that case. So this the handling incident handling will be offered in the customer service module. In the marketing module also, many of the companies will run the campaigns. Everyone knows that even credit card, if I want to sell any banks or any other financial related products, you all know that they will go for campaigns. So campaigns are many things are there in the campaigns. And also if you want to generate the leads from the campaigns, we can generate the tracking. If you want to track the particular processes also, like they want to follow up on particular lead, if they want to enhance, if they want to give any advance sorry advertisements. So many of the things we can do it from the marketing perspective. So depending upon the channel, though we are taking the records or leads from there, and then it will go to the sales life cycle again. So next thing is the field service. So field service, like we are offering the scheduling here in the field service. So many of the people who are working in inventory or who are working proactively for any services, they will use these schedules. So we can easily allot the person who is there in any other region, or APAC region or any other region. So they will easily understand where the engineer is working, and if they have some particular appointments, we can manage the appointments of particular engineers, support engineers, and we can handle the busy. If someone is busy, we can engage with other person. So these things are, we can do it in the field service. So the next slide, I'm telling about Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales. Here you can see the managed accounts will be there. We are managing the accounts, we are managing the contacts, leads, opportunities, quote, and orders. So in the features, let's say if I want to lead scoring and qualification. So many of the organizations, they will go for lead scoring. So like they want how much they are interested, how much they are looking for the particular product for next stage. So the lead scoring will be depending upon some marketing tools as well. So from the marketing tools also, we are capturing the lead score. And the next thing is the pipeline management in the sales life cycle. In the coming videos, I will explain about full sales life cycle. But in the pipeline management is nothing but once we are getting the data, we are getting the call or activity coming from the customer, we have to give some proper insight, and how they are trying to when they are trying to interact for any product or any service, we have to be we have to explain them. And it will definitely, the sales representative can give some better insight, and they will understand the customer requirement, and the provide the output. So these everything will be fall under pipeline. And the next thing is the integrations. So many of them know already, because in the sales is nothing but the activities. So many activities will be there. So the integrations is mandatory here. So integrations is nothing but Outlook or Teams or any other things as well. So if I want to communicate any some particular lead is generated for some particular product. So I want to buy, some customer called over the phone call, and he is interested about some TV or any other MI brand or any Samsung brand. So the main thing is, once the customer is called, we can log the lead, and we can capture the details of the customer. So the next time we need to follow up. So either it's a 1 week or 3 days, we have to put some timeline in that, and then we will go for capturing. We will go to leads, and we will do the follow up. So for this follow up and all, we need some Outlook or Teams. So some channels should be there to communicate with the customer again. So that's why those things are there in the Microsoft Sales module. And nowadays Copilot is also there. So Copilot also will be there to help to understand the summary of the particular code, summary of the particular lead, summary of the particular opportunity, because each and every lead, opportunity, or product related things, so everything has many fields are there in the particular entity. So in that entities, it will capture most of the data, but when the Copilot will give some summary of the outline of the particular opportunity or particular lead record, it will give the important things over in the record, and we can easily, the sales executive, they can easily go and pick up the things, and they will do the action accordingly. So this is about sales module. So the next thing is the customer service module. Here, as I told, the cases is nothing but incidents. So whenever the customer, here we are handling the incidents along with the contracts. So many people, if you buy some AC or anything, so they will give one free service, and next 3 weeks or 3 months or 6 months, they will give the free service, and after that we have to give the paid ones. So this contract, whatever the 6 months free, and the next time onwards we have to pay some certain amount. So these services are like, it's a contracts, it's already built in the CRM itself. and against each product. AC means how many times they will give the free service, or bike means how many gives, car means how many times will give the free service. So like that. And the knowledge base articles will be also there. So if someone want to raise an incident, they should be know what type of problem they are facing. If they are facing the problem in any of the problem has already there in the knowledge base articles, they can easily go and refer, and take the input of the knowledge base, and they can go further. If it needed, they will go for the incident, or otherwise they can rectify the error which they are trying to do. And the main features here is case management. This is CRM, customer service will offer case management here. Here we have different type of SLAs will be there. So SLA is nothing but the person, the customer service support person who is working on the particular incident. He has to be act within 3 hours or within 2 hours. So depending upon the grade we are purchasing, so A grade, B grade, C grade. Let's say A grade means we have to respond within 1 hour, B grade means let's say 4 hours, C grade means within 3 days. So the service they are taking as a premium, we have to serve the customer in within the stipulated time. So the routing, everything is doing in the CRM service itself. Here we have omni channel is there, and here we have AI related agent productivity tools also there, and a customer self service service portals also there. To Microsoft Dynamics CRM portals will be there. Here we have the data, whatever the data we are getting from the incidents or anything, we will capture the data and we will route the incidents to a particular team and get it resolved. So this is the main intention of the service module. And the next thing is we'll go for the marketing. So here you can see the module in this module. It will explain, it will, most of the things are like campaigns or email campaigns, whatever the templates if I want to design. So each and every campaign has different templates. So static members will be there, dynamic members will be there. So static means if the business is already holding a few customers, let's say 50 customers, they want to send regular update, whoever want the regular update for any product, particular product. So we are creating the email templates and we are following up on the same. Like that, the customer journey, whatever we have in the event management and campaign management, so all these things are tracked under the marketing. And here we are also concentrating on lead generations as well. So each and every campaign, whatever the success campaign or failed, we have to not failed exactly. In some campaigns the response will be good, some campaigns response will be not good. So in the whatever the campaigns they are getting more records or more responses from the campaign, they are capturing it in the Dynamics CRM, and they will create the leads, they will create the opportunities directly, they will create the orders also directly sometimes. So depending upon the business products. So these are all happening in the Microsoft Dynamics CRM marketing. The next thing is, if you can see here, I'm just explaining about Microsoft ecosystem. As I said, this is a Dynamics CRM is a Microsoft product. So definitely all the Microsoft technologies, it is there to support with this system. So we have Power Platform recently introduced, and Microsoft 365 also we have. In that we have, as you know, Outlook, Excel, the Teams. So everything is there in Microsoft 365 umbrella. And Power Platform is a new thing now coming up from last 3 4 years. So Power Platform also, it will give some Power BI. So Power BI is nothing but if I want to create any day report, so CRM will support some data, some dashboards, but it has some limits. So that's why they will go with Power BI. So in Power BI you can do it, whatever the data from the, we can extract the database from the data from database, and we can show it in best visualized manner. And they can easily reporting, they can download the reports, they can show the dashboards so easily in the real time sync. So how many campaigns are created, how many incidents are created with each and every region. So the visualization we can easily configure in the Power BI. The Power Apps, so this is a very good feature for Power Apps is nothing but we have model driven apps are there. So each and model driven app, Canvas app, and Power Pages. So these three things are covered in the Power Pages, Power Apps. So it will enhance, each and every app will support in mobile, web, and a tablet, and each and every device. So without any hassle free, seamless connections with customers, they are enhancing these apps with all type of three stages, like a web or either it's mobile, either it's tablet. So And Power Automate. So Power Automate flows are nowadays it's working for less coding. So most of them are aware, because the less, Power Automate flow itself, we have different type of connectors are there. So in that, my Power Automate now in Dynamics CRM is linked with different systems. So there we are calling as a connectors. Let's say SharePoint. Let's say I want to, whenever the file is created in OneDrive, I want to trigger one Power Automate flow, and I want to trigger one lead or something. If I want to do whatever the action, if I want, I can do it from Dynamics 365, or Dataverse action will be there. And if I want to connect with any other service like SharePoint, if I want to store any data of an incident related attachment, so for that purpose, I will go for SharePoint connector. So many of the connectors are supported for Power Automate. So nowadays this is also very useful feature from Microsoft and Azure. So many of them know Azure infrastructure. In that we have a tenant. So in the tenant we are configuring the security groups. If I want to go with any integrations, I will go ahead and create the applications as well. Though inside the applications, we have to create some app id, app security key, client security key. So many things will be there. In future I will explain about all these things. And this is about Microsoft ecosystem. So that's it from today. I have just explained about all the overview. And in next coming videos I will explain each and every. I will take the sales module first, and how exactly it is working, and what are the entities we are having in the sales module, and how it will work, like data point of view, and where it is some when the data is coming through from any other system or any other portal or inside the CRM itself, how we will handle the sales life cycle. So everything I will explain in the coming videos. Thanks for watching. uh, please please subscribe this video.